Guys, what's up? We're here with a video. We're back with more fidget spinners. I just made a video, right? But with this, right, it didn't line up and it bugged me, so I'm just back with another video. And yeah, welcome. I'm Cool Kids Corner. And yeah, we're back with more spinners. So the first one we got was that one that I pulled out of the pack. Was this one right here. Right? Skulls. Right? Spins perfect. Yeah, and then the other one was the galaxy one. I like the way it spins in the middle, like it looks blue and purple, but yeah. Oh, happy Friday to you guys out there watching this. Yeah. Well, let me spin this one. Look at it. See? Okay. This one and this one, look. Yeah. But I'll do a spin test for you now. Oh! No, I'm sorry. Well, look, here. Yeah, so I'll give you a spin little test on them. Might not be like this, but one and two. Here you go. Spin test, see how long they spin for. This one just going ham right there. This one like slowing down, but you still see the skulls and the galaxy. Oh yeah, this one winning, I think. Which one's gonna win? Which one? Which one? We don't know yet. I honestly think that this one might win now that I think of it. Well, yeah, get a little side view. And yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Still going. This one wins. Alright, guys, so yeah, you get the point, but we do some tricks for you here now. First one is basic on the thumb. Can't even do that. First one's on the thumb. Right? Second one, I'll call this the nose, right? Or whatever, but it's called the nose trick, right? So, there you go. Wait. You might not be able to see it, but hold on. There you go. Right, you saw it? Pass it on between fingers. Right? Go on. Flip. Finger. Flip. Middle finger. Flip. Ring. Flip. Pinky. And then try and flip back. All the way. There. And then there. And then there, and then on your thumb. On your thumb. There you go. And I could probably do it on my knuckle, but yeah, I can do it on my knee. Maybe. Oh, I could do it on my toe. On my toe. So, yeah, yeah. Try it on the edge of my glasses. Guess not. But yeah, fidget spinners. Peace.